Namaskaram, dear all. I hand you over to Kumari Geetika Atti, joining from Badmer, Rajasthan. Geetika, over to you. Remember to do your audio.
Yes, sir. Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Namaskaram, dear all. Happy Navratri wishes and greetings from Pramayas, a Coimbatore-based philanthropic and charitable organization functioning to promote art and music amongst youth and society. This is Geetika Arti, joining from Badmer, Rajasthan. I'm a student of Wing Commander Minjuriyam Yagdaraman, Founder President Pramayas, and take pride in welcoming you all to be witnessing and enjoying this live Bharatanatyam recital on Google Meet platform as a part of our Natyam repository, an endeavor to document as many as dance recitals under one clip. As you all are aware, Pramayas has been immensely contributing over the years in the fields of art, music, dance, yoga, lifestyle issues, personality development, academics, and likes, along with our own students regularly invited, both established and upcoming artists and professionals for live performances. We welcome you, dear all. Thanks for being here. On that note, a word of introduction about the artist and short brief regarding the awaiting events of the evening. We have Kumari Sri Sevita joining us from Faridabad, Haryana, to perform the inaugural recital of Pramaya's Navratri series 2021 Music and Dance Festival. We welcome you, dear Kumari Sri Sevita. We also welcome Srimati Indira Murugesan, Director, Sri Nivishat Academy of Dance, Faridabad. She is the doting mother and guru of Kumari Sri Sevita. Also, we have Captain Manoj Lumba of the Indian Navy joining along with Dr. Srimati Parul Lumba and Kumari Sai Lumba, at whose Faridabad residence this event is being staged live today. Kumari Sai Lumba learns Bharatanatyam under Srimati Indira Murugesan. We would be shortly requesting them and the artist for the lighting of the lamp marking the inaugural performance today. After the lamp lighting, we would have Srimati Nilima Atti and her daughter Kumari Pranati Atti, disciples of Pramayas, joining from Tirupati, who would be reciting a short prayer, leading us toward the commencement of the recital. Welcome and pronounce, dear sir, ma'am. The classical term Natya literally means dramatic representation or drama with speech, music, and dancing. According to Abhinaya Darpanam, Natya or Nataka has some traditional story for its theme is an adorable art, while the term Nritya corresponds to the mind performed for the song. That is, in other words, it is the interpretative dance. Hence, to keep the options and scope wide open, the repository of ours is aptly prefixed and named as Natyam Repository. Now, a word of introduction about the young artist and short brief about the awaiting events of the evening. The talented and young dancer Kumari Sri Sevita, daughter disciple of Srimati Indira Murugesan and Sri S. Murugesan, had an earlier exposure to this wonderful art form as she started observing at a very young age when her mother performed to the beats of Lattuvangam and Mridangam. As she crossed the threshold of 4, she began her journey with her mother and guru. Her knowledge is broadened by her interest in arts and aesthetics and is enhanced by her travels throughout India and abroad. Says the dancer, I quote, as an artist, I repeatedly try to find the kindness of Goddess within me, her beauty, her love, and her grace. Unquote. She has been a success part of the Guinness World Record for having attempted the most people performing choreographed dance online simultaneously, presented Indian art in folklore festivals abroad and has completed Visharad title course from Gandharva Mahavidyalaya, received Bharatanatyam Natya Guru Award from the Department of Language and Culture Government of Telangana. She's currently working as a junior creative strategist in 70 Events Media Group and will shortly be relocating to Mumbai. She, she aspires to make a world tour dancing to her own choreographed numbers. Pramayas wishes her a great future ahead in dancing and in her profession too. The Lumbas have kindly done arrangements for the lamp lighting, live audience for the performance, and hospitality at their residence, and we all are excited to witness the proceedings. Thank you, Captain Manoj sir, ma'am, ladies, gentlemen, children, and all. May I request for a huge round of applause to this inspiring, young, dynamic artist, her dear parents, Guru, and one and all for being present today. Please. Disciples, parent members, volunteers, and well-wishers of Pramayas are fortunate and happy in conducting these live sessions aiming at the well-being and artistic happiness of one and all during this COVID pandemic. May I also request our dear Guru Garu, after the Bharatanatyam performance, to present a short flute recital followed by a vote of thanks, please. May you also wish to visit our YouTube channel titled Pramayas to watch the complete video of the evening on a later date. Hope you all enjoy witnessing the recital, appreciate and encourage the young and upcoming artist. Thanks once again for being here with us, and with the best of our wishes, may we request now for lighting of the lamp, followed by the prayer song, heralding us to witness the further proceedings of the day. Dear ma'am, sir, please.
मनोज सर, you may like to keep your laptop mic on. वो बार बार बंद हो जा रहा है. You may like to check because it has to be kept on now. Yeah, we can hear you. That's so wonderful. Sai, can I request you after the? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Sai, can I request you to kindly, move the lamp to the side after this? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Okay. That's really wonderful. Okay, Pranati and Nilima Garu, you can start with your prayer. Yeah, yeah, please.
Is it audible?
చక్కని తల్లికి చాలుబల తన చక్కెర మోగికి చాలుబల చక్కని తల్లికి చాలుబల తన చక్కెర మోగికి చాలుబల చక్కని తల్లికి చాలుబల కులికిడి ముడితే కుమ్మరింపు తన సలువు చూపులకు చాలుబల కులికిడి ముడితే కుమ్మరింపు తన సలువు చూపులకు చాలుబల పలుకుల సొలకుల గదితో కసరడి చరముల అదుకకు చాలుబల పలుకుల సొలకుల గదితో కసరడి చరముల అదుకకు చాలుబల చక్కని తల్లికి చాలుబల తన చక్కెర మోగికి చాలుబల చక్కని తల్లికి చాలుబల కిన్నెరతో పతికెరన నిలుచు తన చల్లు మెరుపులకు చాలుబల కిన్నెరతో పతికెరన నిలుచు తన చల్లు మెరుపులకు చాలుబల ఉన్నతి పతిపై ఒరిగి నిలుచు తన సన్నపు నడిమికి చాలుబల ఉన్నతి పతిపై ఒరిగి నిలుచు తన సన్నపు నడిమికి చాలుబల చక్కని తల్లికి చాలుబల తన చక్కెర మోగికి చాలుబల చక్కని తల్లికి చాలుబల జల్లెపు ముత్యపు సల్ల హారముల చందన దండికి చాలుబల జల్లెపు ముత్యపు సల్ల హారముల చందన దండికి చాలుబల నీలై వెంకట విభుజన చినతన సన్ని దండలకు చాలుబల నీలై వెంకట విభుజన చినతన సన్ని దండలకు చాలుబల చక్కని తల్లికి చాలుబల తన చక్కెర మోగికి చాలుబల చక్కని తల్లికి చాలుబల తన చక్కెర మోగికి చాలుబల చక్కని తల్లికి చాలుబల బల 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 బల
Bada. Very good, very good. You made us proud, Nilima Garu, Pranati. Nice, very nice. Okay, Geetika, please continue.
Yes, sir.
Thank you all. Namaste. Over to the artist. We also request her to introduce us with short details of the number she would be performing sequentially. Please. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Shubhamastu.
Thank you, Geetika. Well done, very well done. Shri, over to you, please.
Good evening, everyone. First, I would like to thank Pramayas for this wonderful opportunity. I would also like to thank Yagnaraman sir, Manoj sir, and obviously my guru Srimati Indira Murugeshan for training me and making me capable of performing in front of all you. So I'll begin with a short piece followed by a Varnam, and it will be a slokam on Ganeshji. Then I'll be performing a Varnam which is based on it's a very special Varnam actually. It's based on my mother tongue, which is Tamil. So Tamil is a language which is the most ancient of all other language, and this song represents our eternally youthful mother tongue, which is Tamil. And Tamil language always stays young in the form of poetry, music, drama. So this is a very special, which is because it's not based out of any particular god or something, but it is something which we use on a daily basis, and it's an ancient language. So it's something which will be carried forward in many more generations now. So yeah, and after that I'll be performing a padam, that which is Sundar Sham, which is Suda's padam, and then followed by a mangalam. So yeah, that is it. So also, just to give a little heads up, this Swarnam is set to Talam Adi, and it's on Ragam Pantuvarali. Ragam Pantuvarali. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. We'll begin with Pushpanjali. So I'll begin with Pushpanjali. The slogan my mom will be singing it for me since it's a start, so I want her to be a part of it.
இளமை தமிழ் அன்னையே இளமை தமிழ் அன்னையே
Yeah, Shyam, you can copy paste the same format and message to the other three strong commanders. Can you please manage?
வீட்டை தமிழாய் பாடலே இனிப்பவனே தாழுடைய சுடலை பொடி ஊதிய உள்ளம் செந்தமிழ் உந்தமிழ் தேந்தமிழ் வாண்டமிழ் தாண்டமாகும் தமிழ் ஐந்தமிழ் மொழிகளின் சிகரத்தில் ஏறிடும் புராண தொன்மை தமிழ் பைந்தமிழ் உயர்தமிழ் பாடல் சொல்லும் தமிழ் பழமைக்கும் பழமை தமிழ் கந்தமே பொங்கிடும் கந்தமிழ் மண்டமிழ் சரித்திரமாகும் தமிழ் வாழியே வளமை தந்து பெருமிடும் வாழியே வளமை தந்து பெருமிடும் வாழியே கடமை தந்து பெருமிடும்
கேமரா ஏமா இவ்வளோ டான்ஸ் ஆடுறது? இல்லைம்மா, கேமரா வந்து நீ டான்ஸ் எங்கே பார்க்குறியோ அதுக்கு மேலே இருக்கணும். லேப்டாப்போ ஐபேடோ அதுக்கு மேலே இருக்கணும். ரெண்டு வேறு வேறு டைரக்ஷன் வச்சா நீ எங்கேயோ பார்க்குற மாதிரி இருக்கும்.
Thank you.
Can I call you back? I'll just call you back.
அவ்வை சொன்னதெல்லாம் அறிந்திட செய்த மொழி பாவேந்த கவியாற்றிய மொழி மிகுந்த மொழி உண்மை உண்மை உண்மையெல்லாம் வழமை புறமை வியன்மை வாழ்க்கையும்
Very nice, very nice. Very nice, Sri Sevita. Very nice. What I had seen, years before and today, what you have done, there's a great maturity. See, what did Kannadi put into? I know that. Sri Sevita will not like to leave Kannadi. In fact, when she started performing, I was wondering, Pushpanjali Mbode, is she going to dance with Kannadi on? Abdin Thoni Tenaga. So much. Yeah, and Indra ma'am, my mother is watching the program,
Okay, sir.
and Madurakara Pundulya Ninga, though she'll be very happy. We are from Madurai, we are from Soravantan, Karatupatti. Anala. Very nice. Sri Sevita got a fantastic job. When mom told me that she's picked up a job, she's going to go to Mumbai, I couldn't believe. I said, "Kutti ponnu enna vela pakrana?" Ayyo, enna sir neenga solreen, neenga solra 10 varshadukku munadi. She is now a young lady Abdina. You've done a fantastic job. In fact, the Varnam is very difficult Varnam. Fourth speed, high speed Varnam. Appuram Madurai Muralidharan sir Varnam kekkanuma. Excellent. In fact, it's a very nice choice. Yeah. See, Mori, Nadigal, Malaigal, இது எல்லாத்தையும் நம்ம வந்து தேவி ஸ்வரூபமாக தான் பார்ப்போம். அன்னை, இப்போ தமிழ் அன்னை அப்படின்னா அர்த்தம் அன்னைங்கிறவ தேவி தானே. ஸோ இட்ஸ் அ வெரி நைஸ் சாய்ஸ், அ வெரி டிமாண்டிங் எக்ஸாக்டிங் வர்ணம். அதில் நல்ல அந்த அறுதி தீர்மானம், ஜதிகள், சரணஸ்வரங்கள் எல்லாமே ரொம்ப கிறிஸ்பு. நான் இந்த வர்ணம் வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் கேட்குறேன். இதுக்கு முன்னாடி நான் பார்த்ததில்லை. This is my first time I've seen, and it's so bright, very nicely choreographed and very nicely performed.
Even while performing, I don't know, the music has something that while performing also I was getting very emotional.
Yeah. It's very, we could see your connect.
Magical. It's very magical. I personally
Yeah, it's
love it.
magical. And the Padam also, we could really see the pranks of the little one roaming around doing all this, funny things. And you made our evening, it's a great start. It was an inaugural dance for our Navratri series. And today I should have been there. I got delayed here in the meeting. Otherwise, I could have traveled. That was my plan to come to Faridabad today.
I was looking forward to meeting.
Yeah. It's been years. Hello, sir. Namaskaram. Very nice. நீங்க எங்க lamp lighting போது வரலையே நீங்க மிஸ்டர் முருகேசன்?
I'm very sorry, sir.
இல்ல பரவாயில்ல, அதனால ஒன்றும் இல்லை. இட்ஸ் நைஸ் டு நம்ம பார்த்து ரொம்ப வருஷம் ஆச்சு இல்லையா? இட்ஸ் பீன் இயர்ஸ்.
நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா?
நல்ல ரொம்ப சௌரியமா இருக்கேன். காட் இஸ் கிரேட். நைஸ் டு reconnect with you. I'm telling you, for a girl who's danced in a big studio of yours, and the hall is so big, ஒரு சின்ன ரூம்குள்ள அதுவும் கேப்டன் மனோஜ் has beautifully created a backdrop. I was really surprised. பின்னாடி ஜம்முன்னு 2 ஸ்டாண்டை போட்டு ஒரு ஸ்க்ரீனை போட்டு கலக்கிட்டார் அவர்ல. மனோஜ் சார் wonderful.
மனோஜ் சார்.
ஆமாம். Okay, Manoj sir, Dr. Parul ma'am and Sai Kutti, all of you come inside. It will be nice to see you all. Please get everyone. And I think you should go for a family click, all of you. Take a photograph, nice photograph. So wonderful. It's very nice. Sai, NDA is open for girls now. RIMC, military schools, all have been now open for the girls now.
Yes, sir.
Dr. Ma'am, good evening. It's so wonderful. I'm really missing. I should have been there with you all there around, right?
We're really missing you.
So-
We'll meet you towards.
Yes. Yeah, we will make it. That's really wonderful. And it's so amazing.
Because of you, we all got to get together.
Yeah.
We all are getting together after so many years.
Yeah, it's after almost so many months.
Yeah, so many years. Whenever we come, we
So you know what Pramayas is like Nokia, it keeps correcting people. Amma, kindly bless them, all of them. Sri Sevita, Sai, they're all wonderful children of, this one. It's so nice to have you around. It's so great to take blessings. And, it's so wonderful, so wonderful. Manoj sir, have you done the recording of this entire event, separate clippings?
Yes.
So wonderful, so wonderful. I'll be able to stitch them. But the all 9 days we got programs, so I'll be posting this little later. And Murugesan sir, it's so wonderful. You remember our program where we were sitting next together on the stage and that annual day program and Arangetam, so wonderful. And if things go well, I think February 5th, I should be able to be there around to be part of that evening along with you, Ilya. That's what Indra ma'am says. You couldn't have done this to us. Why did you go out of Delhi? Same here. I've been missing you all terribly. Yeah. Okay. Can we have Abdiya Okarunga Ella? Don't change. Let the format continue. Indra ma'am, please speak. Over to you.
தமிழ்ல சொல்லட்டுமா?
Yeah, தமிழ்ல சொல்லுங்க. கேக்க ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும்.
Actually நிறைய ப்ரோகிராம் நிறைய இன்விடேஷன் எனக்கு அனுப்பிச்சிருக்கீங்க. பட் நிறைய ப்ரோகிராம் பார்க்குறேன். பட் நாங்களே இன்வால்வ் பண்ணி இந்த லைவா பண்ணும்போது அதுல இருக்க அந்த ஹாப்பி ரொம்ப 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 சந்தோஷமா இருக்குது. நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் இதே மாதிரி எங்களுக்கு நிறைய ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி
கண்டிப்பா பண்ணலாம். அது என்னன்னா உங்க ஸ்கூல்ல we will do it for your entire children. ஒரு workshop மாதிரி we will plan. Maybe next time when I come, we will try do it, and it's so wonderful, so wonderful. Okay, Manoj sir, a word from you, please.
Thank you very much. Very blessed to be a part of Pramayas, and happy to see Sevita after so many years.
She's done a fantastic job. Really, really. I was so amazed.
It's like, music which she does. You are playing it, which is so well done.
Great, sir. And Mr. Murugesan sir, a few words from you, please.
So he's a man of few words. He only
இல்ல அவர் என் பொண்ணு ஆடுறா பிரமாதமா ஆடிட்டு இருக்காரு. I'm so happy about that. அவ்வளவுதான். She's done a fantastic job. And Mr. Murugesan is a great dad, and he's been of great support to you. Sri Sevita, I'm telling you, you're so lucky to have such a wonderful parents in your life. And a few words from few words from Dr. Parulumba ma'am, from you.
Thank you so much. It's pleasure to be a part of Ramay's family. I wish all the best to everyone. Thank you.
So wonderful. Sai, a few words from you. Sai has always been a bubbly, charming girl for our programs. Yes, Sai, over to you.
Thank you so much, sir. We all are a part of Ramaya's family now, and for Sevita Devi's performance, it was very. What we did very. If you would have another camera to see, she was performing right.
Yeah.
Performing.
And Shri, you must see her yoga video. She did one yoga class. You saw that? Yeah. Fantastic job.
I've seen her grow. I've seen her all kinds of things. She's interested in everything. You'll see every time you're there, you'll see she's picked up some new hobbies, some new interests. Like she's all rounder.
Okay.
சாய்கா நெக்ஸ்ட் சாய்கா அரங்கேற்றம் के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं.
Mama. We have to do it. Yeah, Sai, do it. We will.
वोकलिस्ट आप ही रहेंगे उसमें.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, is anyone else wanting to speak? Finally, it will be, my Amma will have a few words, and the last speaker of the day will be Sri Sevita. Sevita, reserve your words for us. Anyone wanting to speak, you can open your mic. Okay, nobody?
यहाँ पे एक अरुणिमा है.
Arunima, I'm pinning you, Miss Arunima. What is her ID? Arunima. Yeah. Pradeep Pillai. Okay. Mr. Pradeep Pillai, I'm pinning you. Over to you.
ये 4 years से सीख रही है हमारे पास.
Arunima. She's a very bright looking girl. Maybe next program we will have of her Arunima also. Arunima, you speak Malayalam alle? Malayali kutti illa? Vootli Malayalam samsarikkunada? Adu nannai. Very good.
अरुणिमा बताओ दीदी कैसा डांस किया आप बता.
Yeah, Arunima, speak about Didi. See how happy Arunima is when she's speaking of Didi. There's so much of happiness on her face. Thank you, Arunima. So you're a wonderful child. So nice. I don't know whether I've seen you performing there. That time you would have been a very small little kutti. And Prashanti, any words from you, Prashanti? Nobody? Okay. Can I request Srimati Shanti Mahadevan, Amma? Can you put on your mic and speak a few words? Mic on pannu, mic. Amma oda mic. I'm pinning you, Amma. Amma. Po katte pannite ni po. No problem. It happens. Okay, she'll come back. Okay, over to the star of the day, Kumari Shri Sevita. Sevita, over to you. Some words from you, please.
Sir, I actually don't have. I have a lot of words, but it's like I'm so overwhelmed by
Oh my God.
after a long time. I'm performing online as well. It's been a long time.
Yeah, it's been more than a year. I know that.
Yeah, like it's just a vibe, when you perform the whole journey of getting ready, especially with my mom. It's like we both always used to fight. It's just something which I've missed a lot, and we did it again, and I'm so old that even the practice session which goes on, so that is very
Yeah.
when I loved it. Thank you so
And
much. for the
ladies and gentlemen, Sri Sevita also helps her mom in a very big way during her Arangetram, other Arangetram rehearsals and Adam arrangements, managing so many things. I saw her running around, and everything was just happening. Sri Sevita was seen all over. Indra ma'am was sitting here doing, Natuvangaman practice. It was Sri Sevita was running around doing everything, so wonderful Sri. I think Sri Nivishit Academy is doing exceedingly well. Faridabad, it's a very, very big name. Very soon your academy will grow to greater heights. It's wonderful. And let me also thank Kumari Geetika Ati and Pranati. This Ati family is of great importance to us. Ati is doing exceedingly well. Geetika, can we have your video on, ma'am? Geetika and Aruna? Your video is off. Yeah, Geetika is there. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thanks for being around. I think Pranati has got some exams. Convey our thanks to Pranati and Nilima Garu also. So wonderful. We will very soon meet, and it's been really, really wonderful. Indra ma'am, thank you so much. In very short notice, we could organize this, and very soon we will do a better coordinated program, because I could not contact so many people to get people around. Thank you so much. And ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Sri Nivishit Academy, Indra ma'am, Captain Manoj Luba and family, and Pramayas. Amma is back. Amma, okay. Pesen, 2 words from you, Amma. Mic, unoda mic press பண்ணா அது கட் ஆயிடுது. Okay. We understand. Thank you so much. கேட்கல உன் குரல் கேட்கல.
நான் போன்ல பேசிக்கிறேன்.
சரி. Thank you, ma. Thank you. உன் மைக் பேசுமா பேசு. இப்ப பேசு, உன் மைக் வந்துருது, பேசு.
ஓகே நான் மைக்க ஆன் பண்ணேன், அது வந்து ஆஃப் ஆயிடுச்சு.
நானும் பண்ணுவேன், அதெல்லாம் பண்ணுவேன்.
ஓகே, என்னோட ஆசீர்வாதம் அந்த குடும்பம் ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். நான் பார்த்துட்டு எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம்.
ஆமா, கீதிகா, பிரணதி, அருணா, ஸ்ரீ சேவிதா, பிரசாந்தி, எல்லாருக்கும் உன்னோட ஆசீர்வாதம் வேணும். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். அம்மா அது பாரு, நானுமே ஒன்ன மாதிரி தான் பண்ணுவேன். மைக் ஆன் பண்ணுறேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஆஃப் பண்ணியிருப்பேன், மைக் ஆன் பண்ணுறேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு வீடியோ ஆஃப் பண்ணியிருப்பேன். இதெல்லாம் நான் பண்ணுறது தான். டோன்ட் வரி, நடக்கும். இந்திரா மேம், அம்மா இந்திரா மேம் மதுரைக்கார பொண்ணு தான் அம்மா. ஆமாம்மா, மதுரைக்கார பொண்ணு தான். இல்ல உனக்கு ஃபோன் பண்றேங்கிறா. துபாய்க்கு வந்து டான்ஸ் பண்ணுங்கன்னு சொல்லு. ஆமா கண்டிப்பா. தேங்க்யூ எவ்ரிவன். தேங்க்ஸ் அம்மா, தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். நீ வந்திருந்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். நாளைக்கும் வா, 9 நாளும் வா. நீ வந்தாதான் ஆசீர்வாதம் இல்லையா? So much. Okay, Indra ma'am, thank you so much. Thanks everyone. We will sign off and meet again very soon. Well job done, great job done, Sri Sevita. God bless. And thank you, Manoj sir. I'll give a call and speak to you. Namaskaram. Happy Navratri. Jai Hind.